How's it going, everybody? It's your favorite bearded realtor. I'm hanging out with Carissa Garpsis. We're with the Koch Garpsis Realty Group, and today we're bringing you another new listing, 309 South Ann Street, downtown Lancaster.
This home has been completely renovated, brand new kitchen, huge island, off-street parking, and it has 4 bedrooms and 1.5 baths.
We're so close to all things downtown Lancaster, the coffee shops, the restaurants, the bars, Central Market, and so much more. We can't wait to bring you on a tour, so without further ado, let's go!